We're getting ready to do surgery on Fedora. Fedora is a pit bull cross, but she's definitely a smaller dog. She's 44 pounds. I've got Fedora at about 14 years old. She's got a couple of superficial tumors. One is kind of a braided looking one up towards the front of her chest, and the other's on the inside of her thigh. Like, I'll need to look and see which thigh that was. On the inside of her right thigh, which is more of a lump underneath the skin. Both of these we're hoping are benign growths, but certainly at her age they could be some odd tumor. Usually, even if it is a malignancy, excision is curative. And so we want to get them out there when they're small enough that we can get a good closure, dog heals up good, don't have any more problem with it. Recovery is going to be about 2 weeks. We'll probably take out about half the sutures. Sometimes I'm able to close these with just what are called subcutaneous stitches. And then in that case, there are no sutures to remove at all. Usually takes about 2 weeks for a wound to heal. Fortunately, I'll never forget my old surgery professor, wounds heal from side to side, not end to end. So no matter how long the incision is, they all take about 2 weeks to heal up. So if there are skin stitches, I'll usually take out about half of them in 10 days, leave the other half in for about another 7 days, just to be sure that we don't, because once a fragile area starts to open, it kind of comes open like a zipper. If we are able to close with subcutaneous stitches, those have a longer tensile strength than the if you just take out the skin stitches. So I'm anticipating about a 2 week recovery period. That's it.
Surgery pack for when the dog goes down.
That was Fedora, and she had actually 3 tumors removed. There was an ulcerated lesion up by her breast that we actually got the biopsy back on that, and it was a benign hematoma, inflamed, excision complete. And then there were 2 lipomas removed, which are just benign fatty tumors. And the incisions are healing up good. So that one, you could see she'd been licking out a little bit, so I'm gonna write up some bitter apple, which is just a bitter tasting spray to put on there to keep her from licking at it. But she did good.
I'm just curious, does it actually use apple, or is that just a clever name?
No, it's just a clever name. I guess there are some apples that have kind of a bitter taste, like Granny Smith apples, but let's put it this way, I wouldn't risk spritzing it on my tongue.
Okay, girl, look up here. Let's see your eyes. A lot of tearing, but the eyeballs themselves look pretty good. Just that chronic corneal dystrophy on both eyes. Okay, Fedora, your weight's doing good.
47 pounds.
Yep, we're doing good. Cool. Thank you.